Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making savvy purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two heavyweights in the smartphone world. On the left corner, we have the ever-iconic Apple iPhone 11. And on the right, the budget-friendly yet feature-packed Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Let's dive right into the ring and see which one of these contenders packs the most punch for your bucks. First up, we have the iPhone 11, priced at a not-so-wallet-friendly $339. And in the other corner, we have the Galaxy A15 5G Steel at $158. Reviewers note that the iPhone 11, despite its higher price, offers great value with its robust performance and reliability. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 5G is praised for being a fantastic budget option, providing excellent features for a much lower price. Now let's talk screens. The Galaxy A15 5G flaunts a 6.5 Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which reviewers love for its vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. The iPhone 11, on the other hand, has a 6.1 Liquid Retina display. While it's still impressive, some users feel it doesn't quite match the cinematic experience of the A15 screen. Say cheese. The iPhone 11 boasts a dual 12-megapixels camera system, which reviewers appreciate for its consistent quality and reliable performance. The Galaxy A15 5G, however, comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 2 megapixels, plus a 13 megapixels front camera. Users rave about its versatility and high resolution, making it a favorite for photography enthusiasts. At battery life, the iPhone 11 guarantees a minimum battery capacity of 80%, which some reviewers find sufficient for a day's use. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G comes with a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Users are thrilled with its longevity, often noting that it can last through a weekend without needing a recharge. Performance time. The iPhone 11 runs on the A13 Bionic chip, which reviewers find incredibly fast and efficient, likening it to a sports car. The Galaxy A15 5G runs on the Mediatek Dimensity 6100 Plus with 6 GB RAM. While users appreciate its solid performance for multitasking, they acknowledge it doesn't quite reach the speed of the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 is unlocked and compatible with any carrier on GSM and CDMA networks, which reviewers love for its versatility. The Galaxy A15 5G, an international model, works with most GSM carriers and some CDMA carriers. However, users note that it lacks a US warranty and may have some regional compatibility quirks. In summary, the Apple iPhone 11 is praised for its robust performance, reliable camera, and overall quality, albeit at a higher price point. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is celebrated for its affordability, impressive display, and long battery life, making it a strong contender in the budget category. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 11 and the Galaxy A15 5G, both fantastic in their own right, but it really comes down to what you value more. Are you an Apple aficionado, or do you prefer Samsung's bang-for-your-buck approach? Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, shop smart and stay savvy. Product links are in the description.